Ever dreamed of YouTube success without the pressure of showing your face? You're not alone. Faceless YouTube channels are exploding in popularity, offering a unique path to online income and creative freedom. This guide unveils the secrets of this exciting niche, providing a roadmap for launching your own profitable anonymous channel. Get ready to unlock the power of faceless content creation. Traditional YouTube often demands personality-driven content. Creators build communities around their unique traits and stories. But what if you're camera shy or value your privacy? Faceless channels provide the perfect solution. They shift the focus from the creator to the content itself, opening up a world of possibilities. Imagine creating engaging videos about travel, cooking, or technology, all without revealing your identity. This approach offers numerous benefits. It allows for greater flexibility, as you're not limited by your appearance or personal brand. It also provides a sense of security and privacy in an increasingly public online world. Whether you're a natural introvert or simply prefer to let your content speak for itself, faceless channels offer an exciting avenue for sharing your passions and expertise. In the following sections, we'll delve deeper into the strategies, techniques, and tools that will empower you to build a successful and profitable YouTube channel, all while remaining completely anonymous. Faceless channels are more than just a trend. They represent a fundamental shift in how we consume and create content online. The desire for privacy and the allure of anonymity have fueled the rise of this unique content format. But are faceless channels right for you? One of the biggest advantages of faceless channels is the low barrier to entry. You don't need a fancy studio, expensive equipment, or even a charismatic on-screen persona. All you need is a great idea, a passion for creating content, and the willingness to learn and adapt. Furthermore, faceless channels often attract a highly engaged audience. Viewers are drawn to the content itself, appreciating the value and information it provides without distractions. This laser focus on content can lead to higher watch times, increased engagement, and ultimately, greater revenue potential. However, it's important to acknowledge that faceless channels do come with their own set of challenges. Building trust and connection with your audience without showing your face requires creativity and effort. You'll need to find innovative ways to inject personality into your content and foster a sense of community around your channel. Despite these challenges, the potential rewards of faceless YouTube channels are undeniable. By understanding the nuances of this unique niche and implementing the right strategies, you can unlock a world of opportunity and achieve online success on your own terms. So you're ready to embark on your faceless YouTube journey. But with countless content categories and creative approaches, where do you begin? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's explore some proven strategies for faceless channel success. Niche down and conquer. Instead of trying to appeal to everyone, focus on a specific niche. Whether it's gaming, finance, or DIY crafts, specializing allows you to attract a targeted audience genuinely interested in your content. Visual storytelling. Compensate for the lack of a face with captivating visuals. Use high-quality footage, animations, screen recordings, and text overlays to make your videos dynamic and engaging. The power of voice. Your voice becomes your identity. Invest in a good microphone and focus on clear, engaging delivery. Consider using a professional voiceover artist if you prefer to remain completely anonymous. Content is king. Prioritize quality over quantity. Create informative, entertaining, and well-edited videos that provide value to your audience. Remember, your content is the star of the show. Ready to turn your faceless channel dream into a reality? Let's break down the process into manageable steps. Channel creation. Choose a catchy, niche-relevant name and create a Google account specifically for your channel. Design a compelling channel banner and logo that reflects your brand identity. Content strategy. Plan your content calendar, outlining video topics, formats, and publishing schedule. Research keywords and trends within your niche to optimize your videos for search. Filming and editing. Invest in basic equipment like a screen recorder, microphone, and video editing software. Numerous free and affordable options are available. Practice your editing skills to create professional-looking videos. Upload and optimize. Upload your videos to YouTube, optimizing titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords. Create custom thumbnails that grab attention and entice viewers to click. Creating high-quality faceless videos doesn't require a Hollywood studio. Here's a breakdown of essential equipment to get you started. First up, screen recording software, essential for tutorials, gameplay, and presentations. Popular options include OBS Studio, which is free, Camtasia, and ScreenFlow, both of which are paid. Next, a microphone clear audio is crucial. A USB microphone like the Blue Yeti or Rode NT USB offers excellent quality for beginners. Moving on to video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve, which has both free and paid versions, allows you to edit your footage, add music, and create professional-looking videos. Lastly, stock footage and music platforms like Pexels, Pixabay, and the YouTube audio library offer a vast library of royalty-free images, videos, and music to enhance your content. One of the most appealing aspects of YouTube is the potential to earn income from your passion. Faceless channels offer various monetization avenues. First, ad revenue. Once you reach YouTube's monetization requirements, which are 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can enable ads on your videos and earn a share of the revenue. Next, affiliate marketing. Promote products or services related to your niche and earn a commission on qualifying sales made through your unique affiliate links. Then, sponsorships. As your channel grows, you can collaborate with brands on sponsored videos or product placements, receiving payment for featuring their products or services. And finally, digital products. Create and sell digital products related to your niche, such as ebooks, courses, templates, or presets. Building a strong community around your Faceless channel is vital for long-term success. Here's how to foster engagement and cultivate a loyal following. First, ask engaging questions. Encourage interaction by asking questions in your videos and responding to comments thoughtfully. Create a dialogue with your viewers. Next, run contests and giveaways. Everyone loves free stuff. Hosting contests or giveaways is a great way to boost engagement, attract new subscribers, and show appreciation for your audience. Then, collaborate with other creators. Partner with other creators in your niche for cross-promotion opportunities. This exposes your channel to a wider audience and fosters a sense of community. And finally, be consistent. Upload videos regularly to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Establish a consistent schedule that works for you, and stick to it. Creating great content is only half the battle. You also need to ensure people can find it. SEO, or search engine optimization, is crucial for getting your videos in front of the right audience. Let's break it down. First, keyword research. Identify relevant keywords and phrases people are searching for within your niche. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, TubeBuddy, or VidiQ. Next, optimize video titles and descriptions. Incorporate your target keywords naturally into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Provide a clear and concise summary of your video's content. Then, create custom thumbnails. Eye-catching thumbnails are essential for attracting clicks. Use high-quality images, bold text, and colors that stand out in search results. And finally, promote your videos. Share your videos on social media, forums, and other relevant platforms to drive traffic to your channel. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Consistency and automation are your allies in this journey. Here's how to streamline your workflow and maximize your productivity. First, content calendar. Plan your videos in advance using a content calendar. This ensures a steady flow of content and helps you stay organized. Next, batch filming and editing. Instead of creating and editing videos one at a time, dedicate specific days or sessions for filming and editing in batches. This saves time and maintains consistency. Then, scheduling tools. Utilize YouTube's scheduling feature or third-party tools like Hootsuite or Buffer to schedule your videos for automatic publishing. And finally, email marketing. Build an email list and send regular newsletters to keep your audience informed about new videos, announcements, and exclusive content. Need some inspiration? Countless faceless YouTube channels are achieving incredible success. Here are a few examples. First, Brightside. This popular channel explores psychology, history, and interesting facts through engaging animated videos. With over 19 million subscribers, they've mastered the art of visual storytelling. Next, Chill Hop Music. This channel provides a constant stream of relaxing lo-fi hip-hop beats, perfect for studying, working, or unwinding. Their faceless format complements the music perfectly. And finally, Tasty BuzzFeed's food-focused channel features overhead shots of delicious recipes being prepared, making it easy for viewers to follow along. Their visually appealing content has garnered over 20 million subscribers. Creating a successful faceless YouTube channel is an achievable goal with the right strategies, tools, and mindset. Embrace the freedom of anonymity, unleash your creativity, and share your passions with the world. The possibilities are limitless. Remember, success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication, persistence, and a willingness to adapt and evolve. Stay focused on your goals, engage with your audience, and never stop learning. Your journey to YouTube success starts now.